Okay, so now that we have created our video and put all the pieces together, now we want to talk about publishing it and sharing it out for the adoring world to see our wonderful work. So, what we want to do at this point is, if everything looks good and we like what it looks like, after doing all that editing, we're going to click where it says produce and save. And this is you basically saying, okay, yeah, it looks good. So you got a couple of options here. Number one is you can get a standard def video, which means it's not going to look as good. It's going to be more pixely and blurry. I mean, not it won't be blurry, but it won't look as good as the 720p. And this is typically what I would go to for if you wanted something that looked nice. If you just want to create something that's quick and easy, go with this. For this case, I'll just go ahead and go with HD 720p. The only reason you might not want to do this all the time is just because it takes a little bit longer and you have to wait around a little bit. But we'll go ahead and click make HD video, and it could take a little bit of time. So I'm going to actually meet up with you here in a minute after this is finished, and we will continue the publishing process. Okay, so our video is finished, and that took about, I don't know, 5 minutes to get the 720p. But if you wanted to go and have it be, you could have it done in a third of that time if you did the 360p. It just depends the quality you want. So this video is done. Now we want to talk about what happens next with it. So you'll want to share this out. The first way that you can share this out is to just copy the link and send that to whoever. So you can put that up on your Google Classroom, or you can share it through email, or however it is that you share your stuff with students or send home or whatever. You can pop that into your newsletter, however you handle that. Next thing you can do is use the share tools. So you can post it on Facebook like that. You can tweet it out with Twitter. I'll go ahead and tweet that. You can email it, so it takes you to your email, and it will bring up your email composition software, and you can type up an email. You get an embed code that you can put onto a website if you do that kind of thing. You can actually upload this directly to Facebook, Vimeo if you do that kind of thing, or YouTube, which is typically what I recommend. And you connect this to your YouTube account, and within a couple of clicks, your Stupeflix video will be publishing to YouTube. So there it's going. So you might have to wait for a minute while this is publishing. It won't take long. YouTube just has to pull all the information over to its website. So that's all the share tools. The other things you can do is actually download the video. So if you wanted to download it so you could have it on your computer, or if you wanted to share it through just to have a actual file access to that, you can download it in that way. So that's how you share it, and that's how you basically get your video out for all the world to see. A couple other things you might want to know is if you wanted to come back in, you can edit this video by clicking options up here and going edit as a new project. And so since this is already published, you'll have to actually just create a new video. So you'll see this now says Stupeflix video 6, last one was 5. You can come in here and make some changes and then republish it, and then you'd be good to go. But we're not going to take that step because we like the way this looks. So at this point we are done with Stupeflix. That's how you share out. Once again, a great tool to get students creating, but also to change up the way that you do your lessons. One other thing I'll throw in here is that Stupeflix does allow teachers to have a free education account with 100 student accounts. So if you wanted to integrate something like that, you by no means, it's not required to use it, but definitely want to consider getting this into the hands of your students, whether they have an account, whether they don't have an account, whether they use a classroom account. Definitely something cool for students to be using. Alright, that's Stupeflix, and I am Mr. Howard, and I would be happy to help you use this tool further, or do anything else that you'd like to learn how to do with technology in your classroom. Just let me know, and I will show up at the door like Superman to help you out. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later.